So I'm making crepes today. I start with a pile of whole grain flour, 2 eggs, and then milk enough to kind of go around the pile, but not on all sides. Actually, it could be on all sides because I had to add more. But get it down to a consistency of kind of liquidy, and then I put canola oil, nonstick stuff, on this pan, and I poured a little circle of this into it, but small enough that it could still expand. And after it cooked enough that the top was basically dry, it looked not totally raw, I took this spatula and flipped it, and after waiting for about 1 more minute, maybe a little less, I flipped it out and laid it down in a way where it's folded. And then after that, you can put jam on it and sprinkle powdered sugar on it, or put syrup on it, or just eat it alone. Because, oh yeah, I also put vanilla and alternative sugar in this, so that it would taste better. So you end up with a nice crepe like this. Thank you. Bye.